They lied to you. They lied to you. You don't need 21 days. Not 90. Not even 7. You need 1 day. One brutal, honest day. One decision that screams, I'm done lying to myself. You don't need more time, you need more truth. And today, I'm giving you something no one else will, a 24-hour system to reset your mind, energy, and direction. This isn't motivation. This is war. Let's fix your life, today. Pick one full day. Shut off the noise, no phone, no scrolling, no internet, no conversations. Why? Because you're not lost, you're overloaded. You've been so overstimulated, your brain forgot how to think. We don't need more input. We need space. If silence makes you uncomfortable, that's not boredom. That's truth knocking. Stand in front of a mirror. No affirmations. No hype. Just silence. Just stillness. Just 5 minutes. Look into your own eyes and ask, who am I pretending to be? Ask it until it hurts. Because deep down, you know. You've been performing. Today, the mask drops. Today, the real you wakes up. Grab a notebook. Write down 3 things, habits that are killing your future. Places that drain your strength. Lies you tell just to fit in. Then destroy the page. Rip it. Burn it. Erase it. Why? Because writing creates awareness. But destroying it creates identity. That old version of you? It ends here. Set a 60-minute timer. Break it down like this: 20 minutes, move your body. Sweat. Struggle. Go hard. 20 minutes, write. Dump every raw, chaotic thought. Let it all out. 20 minutes, sit in silence. No music. No scrolling. Just breathe. Mind. Body. Soul, reset. You'll feel it, the shift. That's presence. That's power. That's you. At exactly 9 p.m., return to the mirror. No questions this time. Just say, thank you for showing up. Not perfection. Not progress. Just presence. You did what 99% won't. You faced yourself. And that changes everything. You're not broken. You're just buried under noise, comfort, and fear. But one day of raw, honest effort? That's enough to change your trajectory forever. Not because you became someone new, but because you finally stopped pretending. If this hit your gut, don't just watch. Act. Fix yourself today. And if you're ready to level up daily, join my Telegram. Link below. Let's rise.